Which organ is the largest gland in the human body? Answer is liver. Digestion of carbohydrates begins in the. Answer is mouth. Which enzyme is present in human saliva? Answer is ptyalin. The food pipe is scientifically known as. Answer is esophagus. Which acid is secreted in the stomach? Answer is hydrochloric acid. Which enzyme converts proteins into peptones in the stomach? Answer is pepsin. Bile juice is produced by. Answer is liver. Bile juice is stored in the. Answer is gallbladder. Which part of the small intestine receives bile and pancreatic juice? Answer is duodenum. The finger-like projections present in the small intestine are called. Answer is villi. The longest part of the alimentary canal is. Answer is small intestine. Which enzyme is responsible for fat digestion? Answer is lipase. The wave-like movement that pushes food forward is called. Answer is peristalsis. Which vitamin is synthesized by bacteria in the large intestine? Answer is vitamin K. Which digestive gland secretes insulin? Answer is pancreas. Which enzyme is secreted by the pancreas for protein digestion? Answer is trypsin. The process of taking food into the body is known as. Answer is ingestion. The process of removing undigested food is called. Answer is egestion. The common passage for food and air is. Answer is pharynx. Which structure prevents food from entering the windpipe? Answer is epiglottis. Pepsin functions best in. Answer is acidic medium. Which organ is known as a mixed gland? Answer is pancreas. Which enzyme digests milk protein in infants? Answer is renin. Bile helps in. Answer is fat emulsification. The digestive tract is also called. Answer is alimentary canal. Which cells of the stomach secrete pepsinogen? Answer is chief cells. The average length of the human alimentary canal is approximately. Answer is 9 m. Which part of the alimentary canal opens to the outside through the anus? Answer is rectum. Which enzyme converts maltose into glucose? Answer is maltase. Absorption of water from undigested food mainly occurs in the. Answer is large intestine. Human nutrition is classified as. Answer is Holozoic. The largest part of the stomach is. Answer is body. The opening between the stomach and duodenum is regulated by. Answer is pyloric sphincter. Which digestive enzyme is absent in gastric juice? Answer is trypsin. Which sugar is present in milk? Answer is lactose. Which enzyme converts lactose into glucose and galactose? Answer is lactase. Which enzyme converts sucrose into glucose and fructose? Answer is sucrase. Which mineral is essential for healthy teeth and bones? Answer is calcium. Which organ stores glycogen in the body? Answer is liver. The blind pouch attached to the large intestine is called. Answer is caecum. The vermiform appendix is attached to the. Answer is caecum. Which hormone stimulates the secretion of pancreatic juice? Answer is secretin. Gastric juice is secreted by. Answer is gastric glands. Which substance protects the stomach lining from acid? Answer is mucus. Which enzyme is activated from trypsinogen in the small intestine? Answer is trypsin. The digestion of food is completed in the. Answer is small intestine. Which digestive organ lies partly behind the stomach? Answer is pancreas. Which part of the small intestine is the longest? Answer is ileum. The pH of saliva is generally. Answer is 6.8 to 7.4. Which of the following is not a digestive gland? Answer is spleen. Which of the following is the first permanent tooth to erupt in humans? Answer is first molar. An adult human normally has how many teeth? Answer is 32. The dental formula of an adult human is. Answer is 2123 to 123. Which type of teeth are specialized for cutting food? Answer is incisors. Which teeth are used for tearing food? Answer is canines. Which teeth are commonly called wisdom teeth? Answer is third molars. The hard outer covering of a tooth is called. Answer is enamel. enamel is composed mainly of? Answer is calcium salts. The tongue is attached to the floor of the mouth by? Answer is frenulum. Which salivary gland is the largest? Answer is parotid. Humans possess how many pairs of major salivary glands? Answer is 3. Which salivary gland is located below the tongue? Answer is sublingual. The act of swallowing food is known as? Answer is deglutition. Chewing of food is called? Answer is mastication. Which component of food does not require digestion? Answer is vitamins. Which component of food provides the highest energy per gram? Answer is fat. 1 gram of fat provides approximately? Answer is 9 kilocalorie. 1 gram of carbohydrate provides? Answer is 4 kilocalorie. The main storage carbohydrate in animals is? Answer is glycogen. Cellulose is mainly found in? Answer is plant cell walls. Humans cannot digest cellulose because they lack? Answer is cellulase. Which vitamin deficiency commonly causes bleeding gums? Answer is vitamin C. The liver receives blood from the digestive tract through the? Answer is hepatic portal vein. The functional unit of the liver is called? Answer is hepatic lobule. Which pigment is present in bile? Answer is bilirubin. The brown color of feces is mainly due to? Answer is stercobilin. Which condition is caused by excess bilirubin in blood? Answer is jaundice. Which digestive organ can regenerate itself significantly after injury? Answer is liver. Gallstones are usually formed in the? Answer is gallbladder. The inflammation of the liver is known as? Answer is hepatitis. Inflammation of the pancreas is called? Answer is pancreatitis. Inflammation of the appendix is known as? Answer is appendicitis. Which disease is caused by ulcers in the stomach lining? Answer is gastric ulcer. The bacterium commonly associated with gastric ulcers is? Answer is Helicobacter pylori. Which digestive disorder is characterized by frequent loose stools? Answer is diarrhea. Deficiency of dietary fiber commonly leads to? Answer is constipation. Roughage mainly consists of Answer is dietary fiber. Which hormone stimulates the release of bile from the gallbladder? Answer is cholecystokinin, CCK. Which enzyme is responsible for the digestion of nucleic acids? Answer is nuclease. The absorption of vitamin B12 mainly occurs in the Answer is ileum. Which mineral is absorbed mainly in the duodenum? Answer is iron. Which organ secretes the hormone gastrin? Answer is stomach. Gastrin primarily stimulates. Answer is HCl secretion. Which part of the digestive system contains the maximum number of bacteria? Answer is large intestine. The vermiform appendix in humans is considered. Answer is vestigial organ. Which disease results from deficiency of digestive enzyme lactase? Answer is lactose intolerance. Which layer of the alimentary canal is responsible for peristalsis? Answer is muscularies. Which digestive secretion contains no enzyme? Answer is bile juice. Which part of the alimentary canal is approximately 1.5 meters long? Answer is large intestine. The major site for absorption of nutrients in humans is Answer is ileum and jejunum.